Hi, I'm Hector Del Castillo, Chief Product Officer of Bold PM and co-organizer of ProductCamp DC. I help companies build high-performing product teams to boost efficiency, agility, and speed. I am super excited about proposing these two talks at ProductCamp Online. Attend these discussions to help you learn how to boost the agility of your product for greater competitive advantage, and use the lean, agile sales enablement process to increase product growth and adoption. There are 3 reasons why you don't want to miss this first of its kind product camp. It's a great opportunity to 1, build product management skills to accelerate your career. 2, identify the latest methods and tools used by product management experts. And 3, network with like-minded product managers, all from the comfort of your remote office. If you have any questions you want me to cover, connect with me. I will be sure to include answers, examples, or case studies during my talks. You can learn more about each talk by following the links shown here. If these topics are of interest to you, I would greatly appreciate your vote. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great week.